This is the Revlon hairbrush and styler combo. It has 3 settings. It has a cool, low, and high settings. High settings is for thicker hair, low setting is for thinner hair, and the cool setting is to cool off your style to set it. Okay. Take the old glasses off. Whatever you want on your hair, gel, moisturizer, and then just proceed to dry it, using just a little bit at a time. Get warm to the touch. So as long as you hold it here, you won't feel any heat. This does get warm. It does not burn, it does get warm. Just dry your hair, and if you like, the straight style, then you will like this style, this time. It does leave hair straight. Like I say, if you like a straight style, this brush will do it. This is very soft to the touch, feels good on the scalp, and it's got good airflow coming through it. So that's the Revlon Hair Dryer Styler.